Alright. You make me sick times two. Alright, man. Go. When I think of your name, it makes me cry to wonder what we could have been. I know our love could have been strong. I know our love could have been so strong. Think twice before you tell me that you don't love me again. Think twice before you want to walk away. It's nothing I haven't heard before. It's nothing I haven't heard before. You may ask why I sit alone and just sit with my guitar. It's the only thing that understands me. I can. You ask me why. You ask me when. I'll ask you the same questions, but you ain't gonna fucking answer me. Until then, you ask me what I am doing with you. You ask me what you I see in you. Beginning. I seen a beautiful person. That's what you are. Are you seeing me and you know? You've seen all my scars. You've seen all my scars. And the demons within. You've seen all my scars. There's nothing you ever see. There's nothing you ever see. Tell me there's nothing you haven't seen. It's so existing. It's all dead and gone. It's nothing that you haven't seen. A real man is what you're looking at. These emotions inside of me are something you haven't seen. Crushing my soul, it bleeds.
everything in me.
I give myself all to you.
And you take it for granted.
I always tell you the truth.
When you lie to me,
There's nothing you haven't seen.
the only views